channel once again. I'm Chef Solomon. What I'm gonna make today is Peruvian chicken wrap. I'm gonna start with my salsa verde or green sauce. I'm gonna do a little bit of modification. It means I'm gonna add something to it. Okay, so let me show you my ingredients. Lime juice, cilantro, mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese, jalapeno, garlic. I'm gonna add scallion, green onions, and then green pepper to it. So that's my modification. So I'm gonna blend all together. I got my peppers here, jalapeno. It's gonna be full, eh? Scallions, garlic, cilantro. Yeah. I'm gonna vinegar to it. Lemon juice. Let's start going. This is my blender here, nice. I'm gonna start. So I put it low, start, and then speed up. It. Yes. Blend it. Check it. Check the consistency. It's okay. I want it a little bit lighter, but I'm going to use it for drizzle my chicken. I can make it thick. Okay, so I'm gonna season with salt and pepper. I'm also gonna add queso cheese. Queso cheese. It's a Mexican cheese. My taste. Ooh, man, this is delicious. Wow. So I'm gonna recap. This is salsa verde. I'm making a Peruvian chicken wrap. So I got cilantro, I got green pepper, I got scallion, I got jalapeno, I got mayonnaise, I got Parmesan cheese, I got Quesos, what do they call it, cheese. I have so many other things I'm going to give recipe when everything is done. Thank you for watching this one. It's going to be great with the Peruvian chicken wrap. I'm going to pour it here. So I'm going to drizzle so the consistency is good. I'm going to drizzle. I don't want it too thick. It's going to be on the wrap. There you go. So this is my chicken marinated. I'm going to slice it. My Peruvian chicken wrap. gonna do my Peruvian chicken wrap. I've got my tortilla shell here. Lettuce, tomato, cheese first. Cheese. There's some Peruvian chicken wrap. Cheese, lettuce. Can add tomatoes too. I'm just continue my Peruvian. So this is my Peruvian chicken wrap. It's wrapped already nicely. Looking good. Peruvian chicken wrap. Peruvian chicken wrap. With sauce or salsa verde.